In this video, I will show you how to change your display name on Roblox. So this process has actually been updated where before you had to pay 1,000 Robux to actually change your display name. But this has actually changed now and you can do this for absolutely free. So make sure to watch this video all the way through just so you have the complete step-by-step guide and don't miss anything important. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a new internet page and we want to come across to roblox.com. which of course is the official website for Roblox. And then from here, what we're going to do is just go up to the top right hand corner and we want to click onto this login button. Once we're here, what we're going to do is just go and log into our account. So I'm going to use my example account, which is my digital tutor one. And once we're logged in, the process is actually very easy to do. So you can see at the moment my username is Digital Tutor YT, but my actual display name, to change your username, it does still cost 1,000 Robux, but your display name, which is obviously the more important one because that's how you're going to be displayed in Roblox games, can be changed for absolutely free. So to do this, what we're going to do is come up to the settings, which is this gear icon up in the top right hand corner. Give that a click and then click on settings, and that's going to take us across to a page that looks like this. So from here, if you're not already, you want to be on to the account info section. So if you look at this menu on the left hand side, you've got a few options, and what you want to do is click the one that says account info, and that's going to bring up a section which looks like this. Now if you actually look at the top section, you can see this has got your display name and username. So what you're going to want to do from here is, if you look to the right hand side, you've got all these pencil icons. So if you go to the right of display name and click the pencil icon, this way you can actually come to change your display name. So just to note as well, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So there is no limit really to how many times you can change it. The only cap is that you can only do it once every 7 days. So what you're going to want to do is just enter your new display name into here. So I'm just going to go for Digit because it sounds a bit better, and then click the save button down here. And you'll see straight away that has changed the display name. So any games I now play in Roblox, this will be my actual display name. As I say, with the username, if you do try and change that, it's still going to ask you for the 1,000 Robux. But they have changed it now with the display name, so you can do that for absolutely free. So if this helped you out today, then be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Roblox, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt, which is going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Roblox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in